Hello students, today we are going to discuss identity and inverse of binary operation. So mathematical expression for identity is A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. That means identity is that element which is when operated with given element, so result is unchanged. Given element is unchanged. And inverse A star B is equal to E is equal to B star A. That means inverse is that element which is when operated with given element, result is identity. So let us apply this on some operation. So let star B binary operation on A, set 1 2 3 4 5 given by A star B is equal to HCF of A and B. So let us check about its commutativity, associativity, identity and inverse. First, commutative. Star is commutative. It's clearly commutative because HCF of A and B is equal to HCF of B and A. Then associative, star is associative as A star B star C is equal to HCF of A, B and C, and so is A star B star C. That means HCF of A, B and C both are same. Now for identity, A star E is equal to A. Now sometimes students get confused and they say that 1 is identity of this star, as 2 star 1 is equal to 1, 3 star 1 is equal to 1. But if 1 is identity of star, then 2 star 1 should be equals to 2, 3 star 1 should be equals to 3. But this is not the case, so that is why identity does not exist. Now as identity does not exist, that means inverse also does not exist. No need to check inverse. Now if I remove this operation and replace this with LCM, then LCM on set A cannot be binary operation because LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, which does not belong to this A. But if I replace A with natural number, then LCM of A and B is binary operation. And then if we check the commutativity, associativity, identity and inverse, then we can say LCM is also commutative. So star is commutative, LCM is associative. As now in case of identity, now A star E should be equals to A. That means LCM of A and E should be equals to A. So there is one element 1 because LCM of 2 and 1 is 2, 3 and 1 is 3 and so on. So that is why LCM of any number with 1 is that number. So 1 is identity of LCM. And inverse A star B should be equals to E. That means LCM of A and B, LCM of A and B should be equals to 1. So there is only one number 1 whose LCM with 1 is equal to 1. That means 1 is inverse of itself, and only one element, that is 1, is having inverse in natural number. Next is let star be binary operation defined on Q, where Q is set of rational number given by A star B is equal to AB upon 4. So let us check its identity and inverse. Now A star E is equal to A. Applying definition of star, that is AE upon 4 is equal to A. From here A can be cancelled out and we are left with E is equal to 4. So 4 is the identity. Now let us cross check this. Now 2 star 4, this is equal to 2 into 4 by 4, that is 2. Similarly 3 star 4 is equal to 3 into 4 whole upon 4 is equal to 3. So it is verified that 4 is identity. Next, inverse. Definition of inverse is A star B equals to E, that is AB upon 4 is equal to 4 or B is equal to 16 upon A. That means inverse of 3 is 16 by 3. So that means if I apply star between 3 and 16 by 3, it is 3. into 16 by 3 whole upon 4. So if I cancel this, result is 4, which is identity. So that means it is verified also. You can verify this in rough work. That means 16 upon A is inverse of A. So hence it is inverse of A. So hope with this illustration you must have got the idea of identity and inverse. That's it. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.